don't be mad. I know that it makes you sad when I simply don't obey. I tried my best, I'd like to say, Jesus, please hold on, when I simply don't have a song, and my heart can't give you praise. It doesn't care to even sing your name. But I still believe that you're bigger than all these things. When I can't find what to say, somehow you know that you love me the same. Jesus, are you even real? Sometimes I pray, but I still can't feel the peace that you claim you would give when we had a hard day. No, I really shouldn't ask,